That's fucking mint. You got any of that fucking soap? Well, boys, we got the old fucking EGR right off here. Look at that fucking plug. Fucking A, boys. Let's see if she fucking hits the hood here. Boys, let's see how the old freaking. Let's see how the old modifications are holding up here. Okay. Not sure what that fucking thing is down there, but she's running mighty well. She's getting a new radiator tomorrow. There's the old one. Got her in my fucking in the little neighbor kids think I got a pony. Let them think they got a pony. This is the old one. I mean, not that fucking bad. Other than the fact that there's a few fucking holes right through the fuck. This one's fucking heavier than cunt. The new one's plastic. So I might take this one up to Bob's and just get it re-cored just to have a metal one in my back pocket. But those fucking fins are just dinkered. Oh, this is kind of like my storage shed now, because out in the driveway, because we can't get the fucking box off right now because of the coronas. But once this box comes off, we did the upper, lower, bypass, fucking heater hoses, something like a new truck. I got my Canada flag red in there. Level's going down. This ain't Chris fixing there, boy. Just trying to fucking get her up to temp here. Oh, leaks, we got all new hoses. New radiator. Got this old shitty one out of there, boy. I'd show you how I did it, but this ain't Chris Fix. This ain't Chris Fixin'. You want to learn how to go do that? Go watch Chris Fixin'. Couple of tacos with the boys.
I'm not getting tacos right now, but
You ain't getting no tacos.
switcheroo.
We're gonna do the old switcheroo here, boys. We got this fucking thing off. We did a brand new radiator, shroud, fucking
Give them the rundown.
All new hoses. Every water fucking hose from here to Niagara Falls.
Every pump's working.
We're gonna go to the other truck. Give me 1 sec. 1 sec there, baby.
Make sure you bring the gas wrenches. Can't be using the diesel wrenches.
Yeah.
Work
Where's
boots.
my diesel happen?
Work boots.
There she is. There she goes. Oh yeah, we got signal. Give her a cup. Come over here.
Thing's mint. I don't know what you're talking about.
Give her a couple squirts of life here in the foot.
The red interiors. That thing's a classic. Started up in a millisecond.
It's fucking flooding her, so she's flooded right now. Gotta catch up.
Hey, everyone's got a different horn. Can't really beat the look of the butt. Ugh. She's pretty.
It's quiet. That's fucking quiet.
I got it. It's got coolant. It's got some green.
It's got some green, baby.
It's only been, yeah, it's been sitting a few years. This one looks nice too.
Fuck, you think of that there, bud?